Hello everyone, this is Dylan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a beautiful Mazzer mini with us in the shop. And I came in for, I believe, clogging of the grinder. And so we went in there, took out the entire burr assembly, the top half, deep cleaned the entire chamber, deep cleaned the spouts, also making sure to deep clean the chute that connects both the chamber in here and the grind chamber, and then recalibrated it. You might still have to adjust it when you get home with it. I left the screw untightened just so you have that freedom, but I did get it more towards the espresso range for you already, so you don't have to waste too much coffee when you do get it back. We are going to run the grinder for a little bit, and it's kind of hard to see with this metal plate here, but we are grinding a bit of coffee in here. It has a lever system, a push lever system, and so all you do is pull this lever back and forth to rotate the wheel. It's kind of like, it's a doser pretty much. So we're just gonna rotate it and get all that coffee out of there, and I made it really powdery just to show that the grinder is still working really well. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.